In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect Printful to your Shopify store in 2023. Before I start this video, I want to say make sure you watch the video the whole way through and don't skip any steps, because if you do, it may not work and you may mess something up. So let's get started. The first thing we want to do is go to our browser like Chrome or whatever and log into our Shopify store like this. You can see mine is here. Now, from here, the next thing we want to do, and you need to be able to be an admin in this to do this. So you want to go to apps, and we want to go to apps and sales channels. And then from here, we want to go to Shopify App Store. From here, we can type in the app Printful. And then it should show up here, called Printful Print on Demand. Now, I already have Printful installed, so I can just click open, but for you, you would have to click install app, and what that would do is that would install it onto here, and then you'd have some settings to set it up. So now that we've got it onto our store, how do we actually make it work? Well, first of all, we want to click on it here, open app, and we're going to need to set up our store to ensure it's connected, and we're going to have to set up a whole account on here. So that's pretty easy and straightforward to do, and I can make another video on that if you would like me to. Now from here, what we can do is we can go to add product, and we can find a product that we like. Let's say we like this hat or something like this that we want to sell, or these stickers or these phone cases, whatever it is, you can click on that. So let's say this hat here. We can then drop our design onto this hat. I'm going to add this one here. I'm going to put this here like this. And cool. Now you can change all the different threads you have on here and that kind of stuff. Or you can have 3D puff. You can select the different types of embroidery that you would like on here. So once we're ready, we can click continue, and we can fiddle around with the variants. So it's going to get us to do basic mockup or custom. We can do basic. And it's going to show us what it looks like on someone's head. Pretty cool. And then we can click continue here, and it's going to ask us all of these settings here. Then when I click continue, it's going to publish this to the store. Where I click continue, we have to set the price first, and then once we've submitted the price, we can click submit to store, and that's going to push that to our store. Now every time you get an order for this product, what it's going to do is it's going to send a like a sort of an order to this thing, and then you'll be able to pay for it in here and it gets shipped straight to the customer. But that's how you do it. So if you enjoyed this video and found it useful, be sure to like, subscribe, and comment down below this helped. Thank you for watching.